Welcome, in front of me is a POCO C85, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, by performing a reset through recovery mode, you can actually get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I don't have one set at the moment, but the process will be exactly the same. From your lock screen, you can just hold power button, volume up, and then swipe up to turn off your device. When the phone turns off, again, hold the same two buttons, power and the volume up, and keep holding it till you see the POCO logo on the screen, at which point you can let go of the power button. There we go. This takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here, using volume buttons, you want to select the second option, so I'm just going to press volume down once, confirm it with the power button, then select wipe all data the same way, and confirm. This doesn't go to 100%, so it should be done just momentarily. I think it gives like 15. Or 20. God, I hope it's not 100. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna pause the video. I didn't get to 100%. It literally finished the moment I paused it, which means that I get to like 30-something%. Anyway, once it's finished, we can click on the power button to confirm the back to main menu. Then we can press again to reboot and press again to reboot to system. Now this will continue resetting the device in the background, which will take here just a moment. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And I'll also pause the video so you don't have your time wasted, as this will take probably 5 more minutes or so to finish up. So there's a lot of seeing this along with like the other screen. So just prep yourself for like 5-7 minutes. Okay, and the process is finished, and it did take about, I don't know, 4 minutes or so to finish up. So from here, you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.